do this trend, you need to have CapCut application. Downloading link is given in the description. Now after that, click on the template link in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. If you're from India, you need to use VPN to make this work. Now click on Use Template and add your 29 photos or videos. You can use both photos and videos to make video more attractive. After adding your photos and videos, click on Preview. Now click on Text, then click on Edit and add your name. Now click Second Text and add caption. Now export your video. Now go back to New Project and add your video you just exported. Now first delete the end part and then click on the video and then turn down the video volume to 0. Now click on Add Audio and add the trend audio. If you don't have this audio, you can get this from the link given in the description. Now check your video and then export. Now you're ready to share. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.